How to make a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. If you want to create a link that you can then share with others to make it easier for them to subscribe to your channel, you first want to go to your channel. In the top web browser, you will see your channel's URL. In order to create a link that directly allows people to subscribe to your channel, you need to add a short piece of code to the URL. To the end of our URL, we're going to add $sub _ confirmation equals 1. This piece of code can also be found in our description below for you to copy. If you then copy your URL, you can share it with others. When a person clicks this link, they will be presented with this page where they can confirm their subscription to your channel. And that is how you make a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.